Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this simple Olympiad mathematics question. The question reads, if x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is equal to 34, we are asked to find the value of x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5, for which x is greater than 0. Alright, let's get started. I would like to start with something very nice, which is x plus 1 divided by x whole squared. To expand this, you have to take the first time you square that will give us x squared. You take the second term, you also square that will give us 1 divided by x squared. Then plus 2 multiplied by the first term multiplied by the second term. If you multiply the first and the second term, that will give us just 1. So we only have 2 here. But we know that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is given as what? 34. So we are going to replace it with 34. So therefore, x plus 1 divided by x whole squared is equal to 34 plus 2, which is 36, right? So this is 36. Therefore, to find x plus 1 divided by x, we can take square root of both sides. So taking the square root of this, that will give us just x plus 1 divided by x. So we have x plus 1 divided by x to the left, and this is equal to plus or minus the square root of 36. And the square root of 36 is equal to 6. So we have x plus 1 divided by x to be equal to plus or minus 6. But remember that x is greater than 0 according to the condition given to us. Therefore, we are going to consider the positive value. And hence, we say that x is equal to 6. So let me box this one here. Next, I would like to take x plus 1 divided by x, but this time around to the power of 3. What can you remember? Remember, if you have a plus b to the power of 3, this is the same thing as a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3ab, then multiplied by a plus b. So we're going to apply the same principle here. We're going to have the first term to the power of 3, that is x to the power of 3, plus the second term to the power of 3, that is 1 divided by x to the power of 3, then plus 3, which is this one. Then you take a, which is x, you multiply by b, which is 1 divided by x. Then you also add a and b, right? That is x plus 1 divided by x. We know that x plus 1 divided by x is equal to 6 from here, right? So we can replace this with 6 raised to the power of 3 equal to x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 plus, you know that if you multiply x by 1 divided by x, that will give us 1. So this is just 1 times 3, which is 3. Then multiplied by, this is another 6 because x plus 1 divided by x is equal to 6. So we have 6 here. 6 to the power of 3 is 216. This is equal to x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 plus 3 times 6 is 18. So I would like to make x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 to be the subject. So x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 is equal to 216 minus 18, as this crosses over to the other side. And therefore, x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3 is equal to 216 minus 18 is 198. So let me box this one as well. Remember that we are looking for x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5, and hence we can multiply x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 2. We take this, then we multiply that by x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3. Once we do that, we are going to obtain a term that corresponds to what? X to the power of 5. So now let us expand this. This is equal to x to the power of 2 distribute over x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3, right? Then we take the second term, which is 1 divided by x squared. We also distribute it over x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 3. So now let us expand. If you take this, you multiply by this according to one of the laws of indices, that will give us x to the power of 5 plus, if you take this, you multiply by this, that will give us x squared divided by x to the power of 3, which to the lowest term is the same thing as 1 divided by x. Then we go to the other side, we take this, we multiply by this, that will give us x to the power of 3 divided by x squared, which is just x. And finally, if we take this, we multiply by this, that will give us 1 divided by x to the power of 5. So let me rearrange it. You can see we have x to the power of 5 here. We have 1 divided by x to the power of 5 here. So let me connect them. This is the same thing as x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5. Then plus, you can see this is x plus 1 divided by x. X plus 1 divided by x. But remember that the whole of this, we use what to expand it? We use this times this. And we have their values because x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is the same thing as what? I think we have it somewhere here. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, it's something we have started with. You can see that as 34. So we can say that this is equal to 34 multiplied by the other one, which is this one. I think we have the value as 198. So 198 here. All right. And another thing we have is this one, which is equal to 6. Remember, you see that here, x plus 1 divided by x is equal to 6. So we're going to replace this with 6. Therefore, x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 plus 6 is equal to 34 multiplied by 198. And that will give us 6,732. 6,732. Then finally, we take this one to the other side, it becomes negative. We have x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 is equal to 6,732 minus 6. And if you subtract, you're going to obtain 6,726. We have x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 5 as 6,726. Final answer. And this is exactly what we are looking for. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.